Xtracycle Swoop ASM. The Xtracycle Swoop ASM is a versatile electric cargo bike designed to make everyday transportation easier for families and riders who need extra carrying capacity. In this video, we take a look at how this innovative cargo bike combines smart design, electric power, and practical features to handle passengers, groceries, and daily gear with ease. One of the key highlights is its extended rear deck, which can carry multiple passengers, including up to 3 kids or toddler seats, making it ideal for school runs or family outings. The bike is powered by a Shimano Steps EP6 mid-drive motor that provides smooth pedal assistance and strong torque for climbing hills or hauling heavy loads. It also features Shimano D2 electronic shifting with auto shift, automatically adjusting gears based on speed and terrain. With its stable design, helpful accessories, and durable frame, the Swoop ASM is built for comfortable and efficient everyday riding. Douze Cycles V2 Cargo Bike. The Douze Cycles V2 cargo bike is a highly innovative electric cargo bike designed for riders who need flexibility, power, and strong carrying capacity. The Douze Cycles V2 cargo bike makes transporting heavy loads, family members, or work equipment easier in everyday situations. One of the standout features is its modular design, allowing riders to choose different front frame lengths, cargo boxes, and components depending on their needs. This makes the bike suitable for families, delivery services, and daily urban transportation. Another impressive feature is the 2x2 cable steering system, which allows the front wheel to turn up to 75 degrees, improving maneuverability and making tight turns much easier in crowded city streets. Powered by a strong Bafang mid-drive motor with up to 95 Nm of torque and a 672 Wh battery, the Douze V2 delivers smooth assistance and reliable cargo performance. ONO Cargo Bike. The ONO Cargo Bike is a futuristic electric cargo bike designed to improve modern city logistics and urban deliveries. In this video, we take a closer look at how this innovative cargo bike combines the efficiency of a bicycle with the practicality of a compact delivery vehicle. Developed by ONO Motion, the ONO features a unique 3-wheel design with an enclosed rider cabin that protects the rider from rain, wind, and cold weather. This design improves comfort during long delivery shifts while also increasing safety and visibility on busy city streets. The bike is powered by 2 rear hub electric motors that provide strong pedal assistance and help reach a top speed of 25 km/h, making it ideal for urban transportation. With its modular cargo container system, large storage capacity, and swappable battery, the ONO Cargo Bike offers a smart and efficient solution for modern city deliveries. Vok XL. The Vok XL is a futuristic electric cargo bike designed to transform urban logistics by replacing traditional delivery vans. In this video, we explore how this powerful cargo bike makes transporting heavy goods efficient, eco-friendly, and compact enough for busy city streets. One of its key features is the large cargo capacity, offering about 2 cubic meters of space and carrying up to 200 kilograms, making it ideal for delivery services, logistics companies, or mobile businesses. The bike is powered by a 250-watt electric drive system with a 4-drive hub motor setup, providing pedal assistance up to 25 km/h and smooth performance even under heavy loads. A 2300 Wh swappable battery gives a range of 50 to 100 km, while advanced features like regenerative braking, traction control, electronic ABS, GPS tracking, and IoT connectivity ensure safety, efficiency, and seamless operation. The Vok XL is a smart solution for modern city deliveries. Honda Fastport eQuad. The Honda Fastport eQuad is a futuristic electric cargo quadricycle designed for last-mile urban deliveries. In this video, we explore how this innovative vehicle makes transporting packages, groceries, and commercial goods more efficient in crowded city environments. Developed by Honda's Fastport Mobility division, the eQuad combines the practicality of a cargo bike with the stability and safety of a 4-wheel vehicle. It features a pedal-by-wire pedal assist system, allowing the rider to pedal while the electric motor provides smooth assistance, creating a quiet, zero-emission delivery solution. The eQuad comes in 2 cargo configurations, with the larger model carrying up to 295 kilograms and the smaller model up to 145 kilograms. Its modular and swappable cargo modules allow flexible use for parcels, groceries, or courier services. Powered by Honda Mobile Power Pack swappable batteries, it also includes regenerative braking, a UV-protected canopy, ventilation, and a front enclosure, providing comfort, safety, and efficiency for modern urban deliveries. Triobike Boxter. The Triobike Boxter is a practical and family-friendly electric cargo bike designed to make transporting kids, groceries, and heavy loads simple and efficient. In this video, we explore how this innovative cargo bike turns everyday transportation into a smooth and enjoyable experience. Designed in Denmark, the Boxter features a strong aluminum frame and a spacious front cargo box that can carry up to 150 kilograms, making it ideal for children, pets, or large shopping loads. It is powered by a Bafang M400 mid-drive motor delivering 80 Nm of torque, providing smooth acceleration and pedal assistance for hilly or fully loaded rides. Safety features include hydraulic disc brakes, a steering damper, puncture-resistant tires, and a stable three-wheel design. With its large cargo area, reliable motor, and family-focused design, the Triobike Boxter offers a practical, eco-friendly alternative to everyday car trips. Bio-hybrid cargo. The Bio-hybrid cargo is a futuristic electric cargo bike designed for modern urban transportation and efficient deliveries. In this video, we explore how this innovative vehicle combines the agility of a bicycle with the stability of a small car, making heavy cargo transport easier in busy city streets. Featuring a four-wheel design with a roof and windshield, the Bio-hybrid provides excellent stability while remaining narrow enough to use bike lanes. Its electric pedal assist system supports riders up to 25 km per hour, powered by a 48-volt battery with a range of up to 50 km, extendable to 100 km with an additional battery. The modular cargo area can be configured as a pickup bed, closed box, refrigerated unit, or service module, offering flexibility for deliveries or mobile businesses. Advanced digital connectivity, including GPS, Wi-Fi, and 4G, allows riders to monitor performance, navigation, and logistics efficiently. Velove Armadillo. The Velove Armadillo is an advanced electric cargo bike designed for professional urban deliveries, offering a practical alternative to traditional delivery vans. In this video, we explore how its innovative four-wheel design and recumbent riding position provide stability and comfort for long delivery routes. With a cargo capacity of up to 200 kilograms and around 2 cubic meters of storage space, the Armadillo is ideal for parcel deliveries, logistics companies, and urban courier services. Despite its size, it fits easily on bike lanes with a width of just 86 centimeters, allowing efficient navigation through city streets. Powered by a 250-watt electric assist motor, it can reach speeds up to 25 km per hour, making heavy loads easier to transport. Its container-based cargo system allows quick swapping of boxes, keeping deliveries smooth and efficient. The Velove Armadillo represents a smart, sustainable solution for modern city logistics. INTELECTRA Cargo Bike. The INTELECTRA Cargo Bike is a heavy-duty electric cargo bike built for professional logistics and large urban deliveries. In this video, we explore how this four-wheel cargo bike combines powerful electric assistance, innovative engineering, and massive carrying capacity to make heavy hauling efficient and practical. Developed by Dynamic Drives in Germany, the INTELECTRA features a quadricycle design that ensures excellent stability, even when fully loaded, and an upright ergonomic riding position for comfort and easy control. Its rear cargo bed can handle up to 450 kilograms, including the rider, making it ideal for multiple packages, Euroboxes, or bulky deliveries. Powered by a 500-watt electric system producing 190 Nm of torque, it supports pedal assist speeds up to 25 km per hour. A 1,400 watt-hour battery provides a range of up to 93 km, while regenerative braking and a chainless hybrid drive improve efficiency, reliability, and reduce maintenance. The INTELECTRA is a practical, eco-friendly solution for modern city logistics. Also TiMQ Cargo Quad. The TiMQ Cargo Quad is an innovative four-wheel electric cargo vehicle designed for heavy hauling and last-mile urban deliveries. In this video, we explore how this unique quadricycle combines pedal assist technology with a stable platform and ample cargo space, making it ideal for both commercial logistics and family use. Unlike traditional two-wheeled cargo bikes, the TiMQ feels more like a compact utility vehicle, while remaining eco-friendly and maneuverable enough for bike lanes and crowded city streets. It uses electric pedal assist propulsion to help riders carry heavy loads or climb hills without the bulk or emissions of a van. With integrated software and customizable cargo space, seating or benches, the TiMQ adapts to various tasks, from package deliveries to grocery runs or transporting children. Its four-wheel design, pedal assist drive, and flexibility make it a practical, sustainable solution for urban mobility. Citkar e-bike Loadster. The Citkar Loadster is a groundbreaking four-wheel electric cargo bike designed to transform urban logistics and deliveries. In this video, we explore how this innovative cargo e-bike combines power, efficiency, and sustainability to make transporting heavy loads in city environments easier than ever. Built by Berlin-based Citkar GmbH, the Loadster operates as a pedelec, allowing license-free riding on bike paths without taxes or insurance, making it highly versatile for inner-city deliveries. Measuring 2.72 meters long and 0.98 meters wide, it offers a payload capacity of up to 200 kilograms and modular cargo boxes ranging from 640 liters to 1,350 liters, suitable for courier services, groceries, or service equipment. Powered by a 250-watt motor with 100 Newton-meters of torque and dual batteries, it provides smooth pedal assistance. Its stable four-wheel design, mirrors, blinkers, and lights ensure safety, comfort, and practicality for urban transport. Xtracycle Big Easy. The Xtracycle Big Easy Cargo e-bike is a robust long-tail electric cargo bike designed to transport passengers, groceries, and substantial loads efficiently in city settings. In this video, we explore how this e-cargo bike combines power, stability, and practical design to handle serious hauling tasks. Featuring a durable chromoly steel frame and a long-tail cargo deck, it feels stable even when fully loaded. The Bosch Performance Line Cargo mid-drive motor delivers up to 85 Newton-meters of torque, with pedal assist up to 32 kilometers per hour, making uphill rides and heavy loads easier to manage. The bike also includes 4-piston hydraulic brakes, a dual-leg kickstand, and compatibility with child seats, adding safety and convenience. With a 180 kilograms gross payload capacity and options for dual batteries, the Xtracycle Big Easy offers a versatile, reliable, and practical solution for families, commuters, and small businesses looking to replace car trips. FedEx Express e-cargo bike. The FedEx Express e-cargo bike is a specially developed electric cargo bike used for last-mile deliveries in urban areas, particularly across the UK. In this video, we explore how these bikes support FedEx's sustainability goals by reducing emissions and improving delivery efficiency. The electrically assisted four-wheel e-cargo bikes operate alongside traditional vans in cities like London, Glasgow, Cambridge, and Norwich, replacing diesel vehicles in congested or restricted areas. Built in collaboration with electric-assisted vehicles LATED, the bikes feature cargo-optimized wheels, a simplified chassis for easy maintenance, and a carrying capacity of up to 170 kilograms. They can travel about 45 miles on a single battery charge and recharge from standard outlets. Designed for city streets, bike lanes, and narrow routes, these e-cargo bikes help couriers deliver parcels faster while supporting FedEx's goal to electrify its delivery fleet by 2030. CityQ Cargo Bike. The CityQ Cargo Bike is a next-generation four-wheel electric cargo e-bike designed to replace vans and cars in busy urban environments. The CityQ merges the comfort of a small vehicle with the flexibility of an e-bike, featuring a weather-protected cabin, ergonomic seating, and a powerful pedal assist system that enables efficient and effortless navigation through city streets. Models like the CityQ 850 and 1200 offer 1 to 1.3 cubic meters of cargo space with a payload of around 180 kilograms, making them ideal for last-mile deliveries and urban logistics. The chainless pedal generator drivetrain with dual motors delivers up to 220 Newton-meters of torque, while swappable batteries provide up to 100 kilometers of range. Regenerative braking extends operational time. The four-wheel design ensures stability, all-weather reliability, and easy navigation in bike lanes. With modular cargo boxes and a compact footprint, the CityQ is a smart, sustainable, and practical solution for urban delivery and transport. Rytle Cargo Bike. The Rytle Move R3 e-cargo bike is a cutting-edge electric cargo bike designed for urban logistics and last-mile deliveries. Built by Rytle GmbH in Germany, it combines durability, efficiency, and sustainability to help businesses transport heavy loads in crowded city environments. Unlike standard two-wheeled cargo bikes, the Move R3 features a three-wheel layout with a covered cabin, offering extra stability and comfort for long delivery routes. It is powered by dual rear hub motors with pedal assist up to 25 km per hour, making heavy loads manageable without exhausting the rider. A standout feature is the onboard electric pallet lift and exchangeable cargo box system, allowing quick swaps of full and empty loads. With a payload capacity of around 370 kilograms and ample cargo volume, the Move R3 can replace vans for many deliveries. Its innovative design earned a German Design Award for sustainability and practicality, making it ideal for modern urban logistics.